In a quiet little town surrounded by green hills, there lived a boy named David who went to the local school. He was an ordinary kid, just like everyone else, playing with friends, listening to birds sing, and watching the clouds drift across the sky. That was his small, happy world. But there was one thing he truly struggled with studying. No matter how much effort he put in, the lessons just wouldn't make sense to him. His classmates often laughed at his mistakes, and that only made David feel worse. Slowly, he started to lose confidence in himself. One afternoon, when school had ended, Mr. Bennett, the philosophy teacher, was still sitting alone in the classroom. David walked up to him hesitantly, unsure of what to say. In a soft, nervous voice, he began, "Sir, I want to talk to you about something." Mr. Bennett nodded kindly. "Of course, David, sit down. What's bothering you?" David paused for a few seconds before saying, "Sir, I'm terrible at studying. I can't remember anything, and I can't stay focused either. Honestly, I feel hopeless. Could you please give me some advice?" Mr. Bennett smiled gently. "You know, David, you're not alone. Many students feel the same way. But if you really want to improve, you can. I'll share 5 simple yet powerful lessons that will help you focus better and completely change how you learn. The first lesson is calm your mind." Mr. Bennett handed David a glass bottle filled with muddy water. "Tell me, what do you see here?" David replied, "Dirty water, sir." "All right," said Mr. Bennett. "Let's leave it for a while and observe." After about an hour, the dirt settled at the bottom and the water became clear. "Now, what do you see?" asked the teacher. David looked surprised. "The water is clear now, sir." "Exactly," said Mr. Bennett. "Our mind is just like this. When it's full of fear, stress, or too many thoughts, it becomes cloudy. But once we calm it down, everything becomes clear. Before you study, close your eyes for 5 minutes and focus on your breathing. That will clear your mind and help you learn better. The second lesson," he continued, "is focus on the present." Mr. Bennett lit a candle and placed it on the table. "Look at the flame and keep your focus only on it. Don't let your thoughts wander." At first, David found it difficult. His mind kept jumping to his friends, his exams, and his fears. But after a while, his attention stayed fixed on the flame. "See," said Mr. Bennett, "the past is gone and the future hasn't arrived yet. The only thing that truly exists is the present moment. When you're studying and your mind drifts away, gently bring it back to what's in front of you." Practice this every day. The third lesson is try to understand, not just memorize. Mr. Bennett handed David a sponge and a rock, then poured water over both. The sponge soaked up the water, but the rock didn't. "Some students just memorize facts, they're like the rock," he explained. "But the ones who understand concepts, imagine ideas, and connect examples, they're like the sponge. They absorb knowledge deeply. Always try to understand, not just memorize." The fourth lesson, he said, is break learning into smaller parts. Mr. Bennett gave David a large wooden block. "Try breaking this," he said. David tried hard but couldn't do it. Then the teacher cut the block into smaller pieces. This time, it broke easily. "You see," Mr. Bennett said, "you can't learn huge topics all at once. Break them into smaller sections. Study a little every day, take short breaks, and then continue again. It keeps your mind fresh and helps you learn more effectively." The fifth lesson, Mr. Bennett said, is practice regularly. He planted seeds in 2 pots, watering one daily but neglecting the other. After several days, a tiny plant grew in the watered pot while the other remained dry. "If you give even a little time every day to your studies, you'll see results," he said. But if you study one day and skip the next few, it won't help. Practice every single day, even if it's only 20 minutes. Over the next few weeks, David followed every tip Mr. Bennett had taught him. At first, there was little change, but slowly he noticed that he could focus longer and understand his subjects better. He began to enjoy learning, and his grades started to rise. 5 years later, David became a successful person. He often thought back to that one special day when his philosophy teacher shared 5 lessons that changed his life forever. And you too, if you're struggling with studying or any challenge in life, take the first step like David did. Keep your mind calm, focus on understanding, and practice every day. Your small, steady efforts will turn into great achievements. Your belief and hard work will always be your strongest tools for success. If you feel this inspiring story can help others, please like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more motivational stories. I'll return soon with another one. Till then, stay patient and keep learning.